First, you'll want to download the app and then sign up. I used my Google account. Then you choose what type of card you want. After that, you're gonna choose your template. There are a bunch to choose from, so just take your pick. This is the one that I ended up choosing, and now I'm just going to customize it a bit. So you can add your card heading, subheading, and you can change the card description. And I just decided to put a short and sweet description for the viewers. And then you can add a photo. Once you pick your photo, you can also add some social links. So you can add up to 5 social links. I chose Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. And of course, you want to put your UGC portfolio. Once you're finished editing the details, you can go and preview it and also change the fonts. So you just select the section that you want to change and choose the font that you like. Once you're done, you just hit the check mark. Then you click publish, and here it is, publishing my website. Once it's published, just copy the link and post it in your bio. And here is my finished page. Hope this helped.